In this short video, I will show you how you can set inductor previously stored energy or inductor previously stored current in Simulink. For that, I'm opening Simulink and then under blank model, create model. This is our blank model. So for demonstrating inductor previously stored energy, I'm taking a simple RL circuit. For that, I have to go Simscape and then foundation level electrical, and I'm taking a simple DC voltage source, and voltage source is under electrical sources and DC voltage source, and inductor and resistor, simple resistor, and obviously electrical reference and a solver configuration block. Okay, that's all for our circuit. So I'm connecting this and this. So this is our simple RL circuit. Okay, I'm taking DC voltage like 50 volt and resistor value 5 and inductor like 6 Henry. Okay, for measuring current we need current sensor block, and here current sensor is under electrical sensors, and this is current sensor block. As we want to observe current, and we need a Simulink converter. Okay, for measuring current, I'm replacing these buttons by current sensor block and then a Simulink converter, and for observing current we need scope. Okay, scope is under sync, and this is scope. So here, so our circuit is okay. When so our circuit is okay, so it's time to run. Okay, I'm running our circuit, as you can see here. Okay, the current of the circuit is increasing from 0 to 10 ampere. Okay, here. So now I want to change the inductor previously stored current. Here you will find inductor current beginning value, like I'm setting this 2 ampere. Okay, now when I run this model, as you can see, the current is increasing from 2 ampere. Okay, by using the following procedure, you can set inductor previously stored current. And now I'm deleting this voltage source and replacing a circuit. There is no voltage source or current source. Okay, but our inductor is storing but our inductor is storing current 2 ampere. Okay, and when I run this model, as you can see, the current is falling from 2 ampere to 0 ampere. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future videos.